Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Women all over the world, and especially in India, they have achieved great heights. They have come a long way to achieve this present position. And they are also making significant contribution culturally, in political spheres, and breaking away every glass ceiling in every field. As I said, yet millions continue to face inequality, discrimination, and violence in their daily life. There are several constraints: lack of education, lack of health facilities, lack of economic independence, lack of awareness of legal and other constitutional provisions. This lack of awareness hinders the process of empowerment. As Virginia Woolf said, women can achieve social and creative liberation only if they are allowed equal access to education and financial independence. Hence, there is need to promote education. There is need to ensure their economic development, to enhance their health condition, and prevent exploitation, violence against women.
कायद्याच्या मळार शिकिल्ल्यो चलयोपासून रोखडेच लग्न करून भुरगीं आनी फामिली सांबाळपा वाटेन चड. ताका लागून ह्या क्षेत्रांतूय प्रोफेशनल बायलांची उणीव दिसता म्हूण कार्यावळीची समन्वयक ॲडव्होकेट कॅरोलिन कुलासो उलयली.
Why are so much of our talent or so many students that pass out, the toppers, not continuing into the legal profession? The biggest reason has been analyzed, and of course, if you'd like to call it this high dropout rate, is the choice of marriage, children vis-a-vis the profession. Women are expected to take this choice, and maybe perhaps sometimes a difficult choice. And if you look at it, it is that women pass out at the age of, say, 23, and the most difficult years thereafter, if any woman wants to build up her profession or be stable in her profession, would take 7 to 8 years to minimum 10 years. That's what at least all senior lecturers who come to our law colleges tell every young student, that the first 10 years are the grueling years. The first 10 years can make it or mar it. But if you take 23 and you take 10, that's 33. And then, of course, that's the most productive or the childbearing years. So that's where the difficult choice is. The large dropout rate is because of this. And it's not that studies have not been done. If you look up at the internet, there have been studies to show women lawyers who are interviewed have surprisingly said, not surprisingly said, that children and maternity leave has adversely affected their career.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आनी चेतन गवस.